Welcome to another episode of Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken, and we are going to be talking about the Bluetooth that I have in my 2013 Dodge Charger SE. So the Bluetooth that I have, it works really good, and it has a little microphone in it as well, and it works great. So this is the Bluetooth that I got from AutoZone. It was only 20 bucks, and it works amazing. It comes with the cord that hooks it right into, and I already hooked it up, but I'm showing you this because it's a pretty good Bluetooth. And what I did was I put it has a little stand that it goes on. It has a little stand that it goes on, and that is posted right there, up under there. And the Bluetooth itself goes into, it plugs right in there, and it just sits there. And the plug itself is plugged right into the lighter that goes right in there. So when it sits like this the whole time, and all you have to do is press the button to turn it on, and then the blue light, and it's a little blue light that blinks in there, if you can see that. Now it also has a cord here, because it's one on each end. The first cord under there is to the plug. This cord here, it goes up under here all the way around, and it goes from here all the way down. Actually, I think I ran it this way. And it goes all the way down. And it comes out here and goes all the way down there into the auxiliary. So I hit the cord pretty well right there. And as it goes down, it goes over, it comes out right there. Now when you turn it on, when you turn the car on, it makes a sound. Let me show you. And then that red light, let me show you. See that red light in there? It turns blue. You hear that sound? It makes that sound. And when it does that, then it's connected to your phone, and it comes out of the speakers. It's also chargeable, so you don't have to keep it hooked up all the time. I just keep mine plugged up, so I won't have to worry about it. But you can actually unplug it for a while, and I think it has about an hour maybe before it needs to be recharged again. And it's pretty cool. It has a little microphone in it, so you can so it's hands off. So while I'm driving, I don't have to touch it or anything, and it answers the phone. So even when I'm watching a video on the phone, if I'm watching a video or listening to a video or listening to my music or whatever the case may be, and the phone rings, I just press the button for the phone, and I can just talk on it like it was, without even touching it. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It was only $24.99. Got it from AutoZone. If you have a 20, if you have a charger that doesn't have, if you have a SE and it doesn't have the big radio, which I will be getting pretty soon, but if you don't have the radio and you don't have the Bluetooth, this is a good option, and it works great. So I just wanted to tell you that and show you what I use in my car, and maybe you can get something similar for your car. Please comment below on anything else that you might have that might be a pretty good alternative to getting Bluetooth in your cars, and I'll be waiting to hear from you. So as always, keep cruising with Christ.